Installing Idmss Lite for iPhone. First, go to the App Store. When you're on the App Store, click the search button on the bottom right and search for Idmss Lite. Now download Idmss Lite for your iPhone. Open Idmss when it's done downloading. Hit OK and then hit skip. Now you're going to click on camera and click anywhere on the screen. Click the three lines located at the top left corner and now click on Device Manager. Let's delete the demo by clicking on it and then hitting the trash can and hit OK. To add your device, click on the plus, then click on IP domain. For your name, you can name your NVR or DVR anything you like. In the address bar, it would be your name .ldpview.com. The port will stay the same. Your username is what is assigned to you. For this demo, we will use test. Your password is whatever you set it to be. Live preview and playback will stay at extra. Click the save button, top right hand corner. That will take you back to the test. Click the three lines, go to Device Manager and Live Preview. To start all your cameras at once, click on the icon located at the top right and check mark your device and click Start Live Preview. This will start all of your cameras at once. If you would like to see a different view from 4 to 9 to 16, you can change that by clicking on the icons on the bottom. To enlarge your icon, just double tap on it. And if you have your screen rotation on, when you rotate it, it will go to full screen. If you rotate your phone back, it will go back to normal view. And to get back to 4 screens, you can either double tap on the screen or hit the 4 screen icon on the bottom left. Any camera within your screen could be double tapped on and enlarged. And double tap to get back to your normal 4 screens. You can also digitally zoom in by clicking on one picture and pinching inwards then outwards to digitally zoom in. This is our video for installing in live view. Please view our other video for playback and downloading. Thank you for visiting Lockdown Protection.